If you work in a manufacturing environment, there's a good chance that you might be exposed to hazardous chemicals. If so, you'll want to make sure that your employer has a hazard communication program in place. This program should include training, chemical labeling, inventories, safety data sheets, hazard assessments, and exposure controls. The recently updated Hazard Communication Standard requires certain pictograms be included on labels of chemical containers. Here is what these pictograms are referring to. 1. Explosive. 2. Corrosive. 3. Oxidizing. 4. Gases under pressure. 5. Aquatic toxicity. 6. Fatal toxicity. 7. Irritant. 8. Health hazard. 9. Flammable. Employees have the following rights under the Hazard Communication Program. For you and your physician to receive information regarding hazardous substances to which you may be exposed. Permission to access your medical and exposure monitoring records. Protected against discharge or other discrimination due to exercising the right to know.